Hey guys, hope everybody is well. I've got a package here. I'm still on location. That's away from home. I've got a package here from PickME 1977 rather. Thank you very much, bud. Really excited about this. Got here quickly. I think it said on here 17th of the 5th. Which is like, it's well under 2 weeks, so yeah, it's really quick. Yeah, very impressive. And I've had it for a couple of days, I haven't owned it. Anyway, without further ado, let's crack in to it. Well taped up. As Mr. Potty has just said on his video, try and keep the box intact to use it again. Just move my tea out of the way. Wicked. In fact, I can just do this kind of here. Magic, little letter. Let's just have a quick look. Mortises are plenty, as we discussed. Mortises are a favourite of mine. I hope you enjoy them as much as I have. Also, I heard you say that you're starting an American collection. Hope you like this one. Fantastic. Ooh, I am, mate. I'm definitely starting an American one. They are just some of the prettiest locks out there. Really special. Wow. Sorry, that was, I can't really do a dance, my back is hurting too much. But yeah, I've not got one of these and I've so wanted one for such a long time. Fantastic. Thank you ever so much, mate. That is just beautiful. Series 700, what's it say? TNJ. Superb. Beautiful, beautiful thing. There's a weight to that. There is the bitting. Nice bitting, challenging bitting. Okay, let's put them up there, and it's feels like a mortise. Wow, look at that. Pinned by PickME, 1977. I've got that wrong. Yeah. Wow, that looks like a Schlag type keyway. Quite worn away. Beautiful, beautiful lock. I love that. That is absolutely fantastic. You can see where someone's been picking and the fingers rubbed away. I've got a couple like that. It's a stunning, stunning lock. Thank you ever so much, mate. I think that was for the American. Wow, okay, this is another sort of Schlag keyway, but it looks like an Adams Rite type lock. But yeah, Schlag keyway, OSH it says on there. And again, this is pinned by PickME in 1977. Fantastic. There's the bitting on that one. Hopefully you can see that. Looks really smooth, lovely. I've had a copy of an Adams Rite. This looks more like the actual real thing. So yeah, I'll have a crack at that in a minute. What have we got here? We got another beautiful mortise of Russwin. Oh yeah, pinned by PickME 1977. Stunning. The keyway on that thing. That's going to be tricky to get a pickup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pins. Beauty. Yeah. I'm going to have some fun with that one. I can already tell. Thank you very much, mate. another one the same, but the side of the warding has worn away a little bit, so you can probably get a pick up that one a little bit easier. Same sort of Adams Rite design though as this one here. I don't know if I'm saying that right because we don't get many of the Adams Rite over here, but the screw-in mortises. But yeah, it's sort of the same keyway as this one, but this one's a lot more worn away. And this is a full screw-in mortise. This is sort of half missing bits there. But again, PickME pinned by PickME1977. I'm having trouble with that. Brilliant, lovely. I do love my mortises and the Americans. I mean, this is as Potty 314 said, this is Christmas and birthday rolled into one, isn't it? I love these days. Corbin, oh, beautiful, no, wicked. Look at that. Bitting on that, absolutely fantastic. Love the bow on a Corbin. Key. Another sort of same design. Beauty, and the keyway is wide enough to get a pick right up inside. Again, we are pinned by PickME1977. I don't know if it's PickME or PickME, but it's stunning. Oh, what have we got here? Another Corbin. Wow, bitting on that, is that? I thought that might have been helped with the file a little bit, but I don't know. It actually, no, I don't think it is. Same sort of keyway as this one, actually. Yeah, you dick. Sorry, I thought I'd mucked it up then. CO7 it says on the bow of the key. But yeah, absolutely stunning. I love these old locks. They're brilliant. Beauties. And we've got a Sergeant. It is a Sergeant. Wow. Some of my favourites Sergeants. This is a cracker. I've never seen one like this before. It's sort of a rim, I would say, because there's no, or just a normal mortise. I don't know. It's the Americans and the Brits, we call them different things when they haven't got the screw-in bits, but still, who cares? It's a bloody lovely lock. There's the bitting on the key. Works. Another one works really smooth. They all work really smooth. Pinned by PickME1977. I can't wait to crack into these at all. Right, what are we on here? 8 minutes. Right. If this goes wrong, PickME1977, mate, I love these, absolutely fantastic. They are beautiful. Stunning locks. Thank you ever so much for that. And obviously I've just received an email from you, so you know when I'll be returning the favour to you. I'm not going to have a crack at the American. I think it'd be too tricky, although I don't know, all of them look fairly tricky. Trying to find one with a nice wide open keyway, and I'm going to go with this one, with the Schlage type keyway. Yeah, so if it goes wrong, thank you ever so much, everyone, for watching as well. PickME, absolutely beautiful, stunning locks. Take it easy and be good. Right, let's have a go at picking it. Okay, I think I can get, yep. And control the top. Yeah. Okay, so it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pinner. Yeah, stunning locks, mate. Thank you ever so much. Really, really appreciate these. Let's see if we can't get into one. Okay, so it's a Schlage, so tension, hard touch tension first of all. Find the binder. I think I found it. Number 2 or 3. Okay, number 3 it was. ease off on the tension. Number 2, give me a little click. Okay, a bit on 4. A little bit on 5. A little bit more on 4. A little bit on 1. A little bit on 4. 3 seams set. Ooh. Just overset 3 badly, I think. In the same position, it's 3 is asking for it, but it doesn't want to go, I'm sure. There we go, nice deep false set. So someone's just arrived at my folks' place where I'm staying at the moment. There we go. Wow, okay. Let's have a quick gander inside this before I get disturbed. I have not got... excuse me. Sorry, using the thing off my key. I didn't think about a screwdriver. Silly. Okay. Well, there's a well, there's a way. And we need flag follower. Wicked. Okay, so number 1 is a standard. Number 2 is a serrated. Number 1 is serrated, I think, as well. My eyes are playing up today. 4 is serrated, 3 is serrated, and 5 is serrated also. Let's have a quick gander up in here. So 2, 4, and 5 are all serrated. Let's orientate those a little better. Okay, wow, we've got a lovely homemade spool in 1. Let me get rid of this bloody magnetic tweezers. In number 2, we've got a beautiful serrated. Number 3, we have got a pin in pin. That's what was happening in 3. Remember I was saying something's going down with 3? That would be it. Number 4, we've got another spool. It's a commercial one. Number 5, Rite, hanging right at the shear line there, which is another serrated, beautiful pins. I think the springs are all the same, so I'm going to dump. Let's have a little look up in the Bible. I think you can see as well as I that nothing is done up in there. Cool. Thank you so much, PickME. Stunning set of locks, and yeah, beautiful. This Schlage, I'm going to call it an Adams Rite because it looks like an Adams Rite. Not 100% sure what it is, but the Schlage keyway anyway. Yeah, lots of fun. I love this pin in pin, so let's have a little look at that. So down the bottom, you can see we have got serrated key pins all along. Stunning, lovely, great job. And then at the top, we have a spool, followed by a serrated, and a pin in 3, which I'll show you in a bit more detail now. And then 4, we've got a commercial spool. And then 5, we've got another one of these lovely little serrated pins. I believe they're homemade. Yeah, they are homemade. Beautiful, beautiful pins. Great job. And then if I can show you this without mucking it up, that would be a bonus. It's weird because I've just literally done another one of these, the Dom from MB15. And it was pretty much the same as this, same sort of design. But there we go. So we've got a like a nail that's been ground down a little bit, and then using the collar there, so it hangs down like a T-pin below the shear line. Beautiful, great idea. Stunning all round. So PickME, thank you ever so much, mate. Yeah, I will. I'll sort you out some goodies, and obviously I've just read your email 2 minutes before I actually set this up, so I'll reply to that now, and I'll do some more vids. Thank you ever so much, mate. Really appreciate it. Over the moon. And yeah, thank you ever so much, everyone else, for watching. I'll catch you all very soon. Cheers, PickME. Nice one, dude. Really appreciate it. Take it easy. Be good.